Have you ever thought that the smallest, cuttest creatures might actually be the most dangerous killers on the planet? Not lions, not sharks, but animals you might see right in front of you, ones you might even want to touch. But be careful. In nature, beauty often hides death beneath the surface. And trust me, if you ever encounter one of these creatures by accident, you might not get a second chance to regret it. Welcome back to Top Wonder, where we explore the fascinating, bizarre, and sometimes deadly side of our planet. Today, let's take a look at 7 animals that look harmless but can end your life in the blink of an eye. 7. The golden poison dart frog. At first glance, the golden poison dart frog looks tiny and beautiful, no bigger than your pinky, glowing like a living jewel deep in the South American rainforest. But don't let that beauty fool you. Its skin contains a toxin called batrachotoxin, so powerful that just 2 micrograms can kill an adult human. In other words, a single frog can kill 10 people, without biting or scratching, only by touch. Tribes in Colombia once used its venom to coat their hunting darts. That's why it's called the poison dart frog. Once the toxin enters the bloodstream, it paralyzes the nervous system and stops the heart within minutes. A creature weighing only a few grams that can make you die without ever realizing what happened. 6. The blue-ringed octopus. Tiny, beautiful, and shimmering with glowing blue rings, the blue-ringed octopus is only the size of a golf ball, yet it's one of the most dangerous creatures in the ocean. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin 1,200 times stronger than cyanide. When threatened, it glows brilliantly under the water, a mesmerizing display, and a deadly warning. Just one bite and the victim begins to lose control of their body, paralyzed and unable to breathe, dying within minutes. The terrifying part, you remain completely conscious as your body shuts down. There is no antidote, no second chance, and perhaps no creature more beautifully lethal than the blue-ringed octopus. 5. The Capuchin monkey. Who doesn't love watching playful, smart, and friendly monkeys? But the Brazilian capuchin monkey hides a deadly secret that few people know. Inside its body lives the herpes B virus. Harmless to monkeys, but if transmitted to humans, it attacks the central nervous system, causing brain damage and death within 24 hours. The danger lies in how easily it spreads. They don't need to bite or scratch. Even a tiny cut or saliva on your hand can transmit it. An innocent-looking, intelligent creature, but in truth, a biological time bomb of nature. 4. The box jellyfish. No fangs, no claws, no sound, yet the box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous animals on Earth. Its tentacles contain billions of venomous cells capable of stopping the heart in less than 2 minutes. The first sensation is pain, like being electrocuted and burned at the same time. Every year, hundreds of people die in Australia and Southeast Asia after accidentally swimming near them. What makes them truly terrifying is their invisibility. You don't even know they're there until it's too late. If sharks are loud killers, the box jellyfish is death in silence. 3. The cone snail. You might find cone snails on the beach, small, colorful, and beautiful shells that look like ocean treasures. But don't pick them up. Inside that shell is a tiny harpoon loaded with conotoxin, a venom so deadly it can kill an adult human in minutes. They use it to hunt fish, but when touched, they'll strike instantly. Even worse, there is no cure. And even if you get medical help, you might still end up completely paralyzed. In the world of the cone snail, beauty and death are one and the same. 2. The domestic dog. It sounds unbelievable, but domestic dogs, the animals closest to humans, are responsible for over 50,000 deaths every year worldwide. The cause is the rabies virus. Just one bite or even a lick on broken skin can let the virus enter your nervous system, travel to your brain, and cause acute inflammation. Once symptoms appear, survival is nearly impossible. The fatality rate, almost 100%. There's no cure, only prevention. A loyal companion, yes, but once infected, a silent killer walks among us. 1. The Black Panther. There's nothing more mesmerizing than the gaze of a black panther, sleek, graceful, and dangerously beautiful. But behind that beauty lies a perfect killing machine. Unlike lions or tigers, the black panther hunts in silence. It moves like a shadow, sneaking up on prey and striking fast at the throat, the quickest, deadliest way to kill. Once you're in its sights, there's no escape. It can leap over 6 meters, climb faster than any predator, and vanish seamlessly into the dark. For the panther, hunting is an art and killing is instinct. If you ever meet those glowing eyes in a midnight forest, pray that it doesn't see you first. And there you have it, 7 innocent-looking animals that are far deadlier than they seem. From a tiny frog no bigger than your finger to the loyal dog in your backyard, sometimes death comes from the last place you'd expect. Which of these animals surprised you the most? Leave a comment below and let Top Wonder know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next fascinating journey where we uncover the beauty, the danger, and the hidden mysteries of the natural world.